Welcome back. Crime branch's performance has dropped tremendously in last few years. Conviction rate is zero in last 4 years from year 2009. There is no change in performance of crime branch even after entry of Parivartan government. Crime branch has also failed to solve major cases of other police station. Here is a report.
Total 183 cases have been reported to crime branch from 2009 to 2012. CID has filed charge sheet in 49% of the cases. However, not a single accused has been convicted as yet. 20% of cases have seen acquittal, whereas 29% of cases are pending trial. 40% of cases are still under investigation. Total 56 cases were reported to crime branch in year 2009. Out of this, charge sheet has been filed in 40 cases. No conviction. Acquittal in 23 cases. Total 44 cases were reported in crime branch in year 2010. Out of this, charge sheet has been filed in 28 cases. No conviction. Acquittal in 10 cases. In 2011, total 42 cases were reported. Accused in 2 cases were acquitted. 15 cases are pending trial. 22 cases are under investigation. In 2012, total 41 cases were reported. Out of this, charge sheet has been filed in 4 cases. 4 cases are pending trial. Investigation is on in 34 cases. In 2013, 3 cases are registered and are under investigation. From 2009, out of 186 reported cases, 89 have been charge sheeted. Not a single person has been convicted in these cases. Accused from 35 cases have been acquitted. 53 are pending trial and 75 are under investigation. That's not all. Crime branch has also failed to successfully dispose major cases handed over by other police stations. 42 cases from police stations were handed over to crime branch. Out of this, 9 cases have been charge sheeted. In 1 case, accused has been convicted, 1 acquittal, 7 cases are pending trial, and 27 cases are still under investigation. Our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
The person who served the state has nobody to serve him. A person served in the defense forces like army and navy cries for help today. A man has family but he has no family. He has a house but he doesn't have one. And yes, he has money but he doesn't have money. It's a sad story of Ganpat Narayan Shirodkar. Sameer Bhatt's special report.
He is Ganpat Narayan Shirodkar, aged 76 years, retired army and navy officer. He retired after years of service. He was set to spend his life happily with his wife and son. But there was something else in his destiny. He lost his leg due to critical illness. Wife suffered from kidney problem and is admitted in GMC. He has a son who looks after her. But there is nobody to take care of Ganpat. Ganpat shared his hardships with us.
त्यांच्या रिटायर जावन घरा आशिल्लो सगळें काम बी हांव घरा करतालो परंतु म्हजे मागीर ते पांयाचे दुयेंसा लागून म्हजो पांय कापचो पडलो आनी ताज्या उपरांत म्हाजी ही परिस्थिती जाली आनीक हांव ह्या स्टेजीचेर पावलो म्हाका आनीक कांय हें ना की म्हाका खंय तरी आसलो जाल्यार हांव बऱ्या भशेन रावन दी म्हणून म्हजी इच्छा आशिल्ली आनीक हांव म्हज्या बायलेक पळोवचेंशें म्हाका दिसतालें परंतु म्हाज्या हेंच्यांनी मेवण्यान आनीक मेवण्यान पळोवपाक दिवंक ना.
From a posh living, Ganpat has reached one of the old age homes thanks to his so-called relatives. Ganpat had asked for a better living in his old age. Relatives dropped him to an old age home. Tears rolled down Ganpat's eyes when he remembered his wife. He gets pension amount, but that is used by his son for his wife's treatment.
आवय पैसे जाय म्हणून हांवें ते पैसे हे घेतला ताका हांव जाय तितले सायन करून दितालो चॅकाचेर तूं घेव काडून घेवन जितले ताका पैसे जाय कमी पडता ते हांव शेणे दिवन दितालो म्हाजे पेन्शनाचे घेवन आनी काडून.
Ganpat has a house, a family, money, but at present he has nothing. He's spending his last days in an old age home. which was never in his mind even as an option. He does not blame anybody. What he wants is proper place and proper treatment in his old age.
आता म्हणजे इच्छा काय ना कोणीतरी काही असू जरा राहू शकता पण तू बऱ्या जाग्यार दोन काही बाप पर्रीकराक कळोवपाचें म्हणून म्हाजी इच्छा आसा की म्हाका खंय तरी आसूं ते बरे भशेन दवरल्यार आस करता.
Samir Bhatt from Madgaon for Prudent.
Governor will no more be addressed as His Excellency. He would be addressed as Honourable Governor. Goa Governor Bharatveer Vanchu has dropped His Excellency honorific preceding his name for official purposes. President of India Pranab Mukherjee had also decided to do away with titles like His Excellency.
After President Pranab Mukherjee, Goa Governor Bharatveer Vanchu has also dropped the His Excellency honorific preceding his name for official purposes. The state government issued a circular earlier this week asking all government officials to drop the colonial title preceding the governor's name in all official communication and engagements. Vanchu will be henceforth addressed as Honorable Governor in English and Rajyapal Mahoday in Hindi. President of India Pranab Mukherjee, shortly after being sworn in as president in 2012, had decided to do away with the colonial trappings of his chair by doing away with titles like His Excellency and Mahamahim. He also referred honorable and traditional Indian title Shri as a prefix preceding his name. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.